Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you my slime. So this is actually the same slime, just in 2 containers. So what I do to make it soft, kind of if it's tough, I put it into a container. I get like any kind of cream, rub it on top, and put it away for a few minutes. And then when you get it back, there could be still some cream on it. If you can see, there's some sparkles on me. I don't think you can, but there's a lot of sparkles in here. So now, when you take it out, it's all stretchy. I actually didn't know it was going to work. And put these to the side after. I always mix it up. Put the kind of containers to the side. Okay, and then when you mix it up a little, actually I have cream right here. It's standing up my phone. And then when you take it back out the container, we'll mix it for a little bit. And then get some cream and rub it all over. And then mix it a little. And I'm also making another video today, right after this one, before my parents go to sleep, and I do, but mostly me. Look how big the slime is. It's still really tough, but at least it's fun to play with. That's mostly what slime is to play with, not be all perfect, just to play with. Sometimes how you're supposed to mix it is by doing this. Gratis. And keep doing this, or keep doing this, or whatever. This video is going to be short. I'm actually going to end it soon because it's literally, I don't even know what time it is, but it's late. So you just get an idea of how to make it a little bit softer. This is actually fluffy slime, just added too much activator. So yeah. And when you know it's really good is when there's lots of bubbles. But yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like this video, subscribe, and comment down below. See you guys in another video. Well, the other video that I'm filming after. Bye-bye.